When it comes to survival preparedness, your bug out bag can literally mean the difference between life and death. But here's the thing. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on gear that looks cool but doesn't actually perform when you need it most. Today, I'm breaking down 16 essential items that combine reliability, functionality, and real-world value. Let's dive in. Starting with the most critical survival tool, a reliable fixed blade knife. The CRKT CUK features a distinctive 10.5-inch kukri blade made from high-carbon, high-manganese alloy steel, offering excellent edge retention and easy field sharpening. At 14.7 ounces, it's substantial enough for chopping through branches but won't weigh you down. The polypropylene handle with rubber overmold provides a secure grip in wet conditions. With nearly 16 inches overall length and a durable 1680D polyester sheath, this is a serious tool that brings versatility and power to your bug-out bag. Number 2. Lineslife Wood Burning Camp Stove. Here's a game-changer for cooking without carrying fuel. The Lineslife Wood Burning Camp Stove runs entirely on twigs, leaves, and pine cones, anything combustible you find around you. The iron construction handles serious heat and abuse, while the efficient airflow design creates a hot, clean burn with minimal smoke. At 7 pounds, it's heavier than gas stoves, but you'll never run out of fuel. For long-term survival situations where resupply isn't an option, this stove offers true off-grid independence that's absolutely invaluable. Number 4. AquaQuest Guide Tarp. Shelter is a top survival priority, and this tarp delivers serious protection at just 14.4 ounces. The 10 by 7 foot coverage gives you enough space for 1 to 2 people or gear protection. Made from 40D ripstop nylon at 0.1 millimeters thick. It's fully waterproof despite being incredibly packable. The ripstop construction prevents tears from spreading, critical when your shelter is preventing hypothermia. Set it up as an A-frame, lean-to, or ground cover. In bug-out scenarios where every ounce counts, this versatile tarp is absolute gold. Number 5. Rhino Produxs Carabiner Clips. Don't underestimate the power of quality carabiners in a survival situation. These Rhino Produxs D-shaped aluminum carabiners are built to handle serious loads. We're talking a maximum weight capacity of 1,223 kilograms. That's incredible strength from something weighing just 28 grams. The screw lock mechanism ensures your gear stays secure even during intense activity or rough terrain. If you're hanging bear bags, securing equipment to your pack, creating makeshift shelters, or setting up climbing systems, these carabiners are versatile problem solvers. The lightweight aluminum construction won't add bulk to your kit, making them essential connectors for countless survival applications. Number 6. CAMPIZO Emergency Blankets. If hypothermia is your biggest threat, emergency blankets can be lifesavers. The CAMPIZO emergency blankets weigh an incredibly light 0.13 pounds, but provide critical thermal protection. Made from durable nylon, these blankets reflect your body heat back to you, helping maintain core temperature in emergency situations. They're compact enough to fit anywhere in your bug-out bag without taking up valuable space. Beyond warmth, they serve multiple survival purposes: emergency signaling, ground cover, rain protection, or even makeshift shelters. At this weight, there's absolutely no reason not to pack several. Number 7. OLIGHT Olantern Classic 2 Pro Camping Lantern. Reliable lighting is non-negotiable in survival situations. The OLIGHT Olantern Classic 2 Pro delivers 300 lumens maximum output with an impressive 180-hour maximum runtime. It features 18-watt USB-C fast charging, fully charged in just 4 hours, and the built-in 11,200 mAh lithium-ion battery can run for up to 7.5 days. The IPX5 water-resistant rating means rain won't shut down your light source. At 26.69 ounces, it's heavier than minimalist options, but the metal and polycarbonate construction ensures durability. The combination of long runtime, fast charging, and weather resistance makes this lantern a dependable companion for extended bug-out scenarios. Number 8. MIYCOO Hiking Backpack. Your bug-out bag needs to actually carry all this gear, and the MIYCOO Hiking Backpack offers 35-liter large capacity at an incredibly light 12.8 ounces. That capacity-to-weight ratio is outstanding. The waterproof fabric protects your essential gear from rain and moisture, critical when electronics, first aid supplies, and food need to stay dry. Smooth SBS zippers might seem like a minor detail, but cheap zippers failing in the field can ruin your entire setup. This backpack provides the storage space and weather protection you need without weighing you down. For bug-out situations where mobility matters, having a lightweight, spacious, waterproof pack is fundamental to your survival strategy. Number 9. Thermacell Mosquito Holster Repellent. Insects aren't just annoying, they can carry diseases and make survival situations miserable. The Thermacell Mosquito Holster Repellent creates a protection zone around you without requiring sprays or lotions on your skin. This portable repellent system is perfect for bug-out scenarios, where you're setting up camp in mosquito-heavy areas. Unlike traditional bug sprays that wear off or wash away with sweat, Thermacell provides consistent protection as long as it's running. The holster design makes it easy to carry and deploy quickly. Number 10. GRAYL GeoPress Water Purifier Bottle. Clean water is survival priority number 1. The GRAYL GeoPress purifies water in seconds using electroadsorption and activated carbon, removing viruses, bacteria, and chemicals. With 24 fluid-ounce capacity and a 5 liters per minute flow rate, you can quickly process water from sketchy sources. It handles water up to 1,000 ppm TDS, meaning seriously contaminated water becomes drinkable. At 15.9 ounces, it's heavier than basic bottles, but you're carrying a complete purification system. The included purifier cartridge, one-way drink valve, and press mechanism make it foolproof. Number 11. AquaQuest Pharaoh Bivy Sack. When space and weight are critical, a bivy sack offers minimalist shelter that's hard to beat. The AquaQuest Pharaoh weighs just 0.5 kilograms, but provides fully waterproof protection for sleepers up to 2 meters tall. Made from durable nylon, this bivy creates a protective barrier between you and the elements without the bulk of a full tent. It's perfect for solo bug-out situations where you need to move fast and light. The waterproof construction keeps you dry even in downpours, while the compact size means it barely takes up pack space. Pair this with a sleeping bag and ground pad, and you've got a complete sleep system that weighs a fraction of traditional shelter options. Number 12. KeyPeak Military Tactical Survival Pen. A tactical pen might seem like overkill until you need one. The KeyPeak Military Tactical Survival Pen is made from aluminum and tungsten steel, making it both a writing instrument and defensive tool. At 3.2 ounces, it's substantial enough to use for self-defense or glass breaking in emergencies. It includes 6 ink refills and comes in a gift box, so you're set for extensive use. Beyond writing notes or marking maps, the tungsten steel tip can break car windows or serve as an improvised striking tool. In survival situations, multi-purpose tools save weight and space. This pen handles everyday tasks while providing a discreet defensive option that's always within reach. Number 13. OLIGHT Water Filter Straw. Having backup water purification is critical, and the OLIGHT water filter straw provides 1,300-gallon capacity at just 3.5 ounces. Using activated carbon and hollow fiber membrane filtration, it removes bacteria and parasites from water up to 1,000 ppm TDS. The 600 milliliters per minute flow rate means you're not waiting forever to hydrate. Best of all, it requires no electricity or batteries. Just drink directly from water sources. Being BPA-free ensures you're not introducing toxins while filtering out contaminants. Number 14. Sharpal Pocket Knife Sharpener. A dull knife is a dangerous knife. The Sharpal Pocket Knife Sharpener features tungsten carbide, ceramic, and monocrystalline diamonds to handle everything from damaged edges to fine polishing. With coarse, medium, and fine grit options, you can restore any blade to razor sharpness in the field. At just 0.15 pounds, this sharpener barely registers in your pack, but maintains the effectiveness of your most critical tools. This compact 3-stage sharpening system ensures your blades stay functional throughout extended survival situations, making it an essential support tool for your cutting implements. Number 15. Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Blanket. Temperature regulation can make or break your survival comfort. The Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Blanket opens to 6.5 by 4.5 feet and features synthetic puffy fiber insulation rated for temperatures down to 40 degrees. The 20D nylon exterior with DWR coating provides water-resistant, sandproof protection while remaining lightweight and packable. At 28 ounces, it offers serious warmth without excessive weight. The reversible design and quick-drying polyester make this blanket incredibly versatile for bug-out scenarios, requiring adaptable insulation. Number 16. Esky Emergency Hand Crank Radio. Communication and information access can be critical in emergencies. The Esky Emergency Hand Crank Radio features AM or FM and NOAA weather radio to keep you informed of conditions and alerts. It offers 3 charging methods: solar power, hand crank, and USB charging, meaning you'll never run out of power. The built-in 3 LED flashlight provides emergency lighting, while the USB connectivity lets you charge other devices. Requiring just one lithium-ion battery, this radio becomes your lifeline to critical information when grid power is down. This multi-powered radio ensures you stay connected and informed throughout any survival situation. There you have it, 16 essential survival gear items and gadgets that deserve serious consideration for your bug-out bag. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest gear reviews and survival content. Stay prepared, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.